Good morning, students. Welcome again. Now we are discussing module 2. Okay. In first module we discuss about Prophet Muhammad. Now what happened? From Makkah he had to leave to Medina because he said that idol worshipping is to be, was not to be done. So some of communities were fed up. So what happened? Now he was the person that was responsible for flourishing of this religion. Okay, now what happened? He had to settle in Medina. Okay. Now what he said that we should have simple living, we should do prayers, we should donate some money, donate some part of our earning to to the commoners or to the poor people, so that God should also be happy. Okay. Now next what was that? It was a new religion. It was a new religion, and he had to gather the support of the people. Otherwise, this religion will come on the ground. If he will not be having the support of the common people, then this religion will not flourish. And Medina was a new place to him, and for this he had to help the money and the government help also. So most important thing was there that he should have the support of government, politically and for security reasons also. Okay. Now what happened? By the efforts of Muhammad and government, he was able to flourish. He was able to expand this religion. What happened? He was collecting money in the form of taxes and revenues and alms. एक word आता alms. What was that? Some of the donations are to be given. Alms or booty, that was also common. What was that? When some of the money is to be stolen or theft, जो कहते हैं ना, जो लूटी हुआ जो खजाना होता था उसमें से कुछ हिस्सा देना पड़ता था, तो he was getting such money. And what was that? He was very happy because money was coming now, and he himself was also doing hard to survive this religion. Okay. Now what happened? Some of the communities also supported him. And what happened? That the people started to take interest, and even some of the Bedouins or Iranians, they started to join this religion. It was a very good thing. What happened? When he was in Medina, what he did, he was collecting a lot of money, he was flourishing this religion, and he was making himself powerful also. And what did he attacked on Makkah and acquired that area also, because Makkah, this was his native place, this was his birthplace, and he controlled Makkah and Medina both. Makkah and Medina. Earlier means Makkah, the religious capital, and Medina, that was administrative capital, that he made the administrative capital. So what happened? When he attacked on this Makkah, he acquired this, he annexed it, and it was that Makkah and Medina, both the places were under his control. One place he made as the religious capital, another as the administrative capital. And even when he preached the people, when he gave the teachings, the people were much influenced. He said that we should have simple life, we do have the prayers, we should worship God, and we should not do theft, we should not loot up. हमने जो है चोरी चकारी या झूठ वगैरह नहीं बोलना चाहिए. These things were very, very common, and the people started to follow him. And within a very short span of time, this religion flourished a lot. Okay. Now what happened? In 612, he became the messenger of the God. Yeah, by the message of the God, by the blessings of the God, he flourished this religion. In 632, is that he died in 632 AD. Now the problem starts here, because nobody was his successor. Nobody was his successor. Now next thing that we will be discussing, the Khalifates or Khalifas. Caliphs or Khalifates. You have read in 10th class when Indian freedom struggle was going on in 1919. Two brothers, Muhammad Ali and Shaukat Ali, they formed the Khilafat movement. This Khilafat, this Caliph started from there. Okay. Now the birth of Caliphate after the death of Prophet Muhammad in 632, there was no successor. No person was there that can sit on the throne of Prophet Muhammad. Now there starts the problem. A community was there, Ummah, the community of believers, जो विश्वास करते थे भगवान में, the community of believers. What was their main, you may say, work was that they should flourish this religion. They should do maximum as they can to survive this religion. Okay. Now what happened? After that, Abu Bakr was the first caliphate after the death of Prophet Muhammad. In 632, there was death of Prophet Muhammad. No successor was there, no person was there. So there come the dispute, there come the war, a new dynasties come. Then there come the birth of Caliphs. And Abu Bakr was the first. Their time period was very small, that is 632, 61. This was their time period, that was the part of this. This was during that time period, that within that 30 years, four, you may say, caliphates come. Abu Bakr was the first caliphate. What? He did a lot to expand this religion. And what did he collected taxes and revenues, and he even also collected arms and booty also, or so that he can expand this religion. Even new communities were also joining that you may say Iran, Egypt and Italy, they also joined this. Iran, Egypt and Iraq, they joined this. What happened? When Abu Bakr joined this, and he did also a lot to expand this religion, he was working hard, even the Ummah community was also there. So what happened during that short span of time, these communities, they also joined. Earlier we had discussed Iran, Egypt and Iraq, they were the part of Roman Empire. And what happened when the Roman Empire was on the ground, that was no more. So these were also not so much powerful. There may be the starting of civil war, and this Abu Bakr and other Muslim community, they annexed, they acquired, they conquered these territories and became the community of Muslim community. तो इसकी वजह से that was okay. Now second was Umar. Umar was the second you may say caliphate, that was Umar. After that you may say death of Abu Bakr, he was murdered. Next was Umar. He also did that same thing. He also tried to do you may say annex the other territories, and new communities were also joining. This was very positive for this religion. If you see today's world, Christian community is the first that are having maximum inhabitants. Second number is Muslim community, that is having second number of inhabitants. If you see that within 1300 years or even less, they are at the second position. Okay. Now this religion is one of the newest, and even then maximum community are joining this. Okay. Now Umar, he was the second person, second caliphate that was. Okay. Now what? He also did that same, and he also tried hard to expand this religion, and he was also successful. Third was Uthman. Uthman was the third. What he did? He started to give the powers to his own persons, or you may say main followers. जो उसके खास आदमी होते थे, he started to give the post to them, that may be of military or that may be of administrative. So he was also, and he also tried hard he also tried to survive this religion. Okay, and after that what happened, because this was the one of the best thing, that on the high posts of administration and bureaucracy, his own members, his own persons were there. Okay, he was also murdered. Next was that Muhammad Ali. Muhammad Ali, he was the last, that was in 656 to 661. He was the last caliphate. Okay, what happened? He was son-in-law of Prophet Muhammad. Okay, when all these three, you may say all four were murdered. All four were murdered. Nobody was there natural death. Okay, Muhammad Ali, the last caliphate, he became that you may say king. What happened? There was a distribution in the society. Shias and Sunnis. Shias and Sunnis, there was the distribution of this. Shias and Sunnis, there come the distribution, the division of this Muslim community. Shias were the person that were supporting Muhammad Ali. Sunnis were the person that were supporting whom? Prophet Muhammad. Okay, most important thing. So Muhammad Ali also tried hard and he also did a lot, but during his time period he was not able to control all areas as his, you may say, Prophet Muhammad, as his father-in-law. Okay, that was one of the most important. One last thing is there, all belong to the Quraysh tribe. Most important thing was there, that these all caliphates belong to that Quraysh tribe.